Welcome to this Unity quick guide. In this video, we will be covering how to build a callback media stream. Before beginning, it is important to note that media streams are created within queues. For more information about the differences between the two, please see the Unity quick guide on understanding queues and media streams. To create a new media stream, first start within the Contact Center portal. From here, navigate and click on the Queues icon at the top of the screen. This will present a list of all queues associated with your contact center. As media streams are created within a queue, click on the queue you wish to create your new media stream within. This will take you to a contact center dashboard dedicated to the queue you have chosen. As we are creating fresh media streams for this queue, the fields are currently all empty. To continue, click on the Streams icon. Once populated, this page will display a list of all media streams associated with this queue, as well as key information including their live status. To create a new media stream, click on the Add Media Stream button, which will take you to the page where you can create your new media stream from top to bottom.
In the first section, you can input some initial settings choices that will determine the foundation of your new media stream. These initial setting options include setting a name for your new media stream.
This is the name that will be presented to the agent so they can see the type of customer inquiry they're answering.
Setting the language. Choosing the media type. As we are creating a callback media stream, we will choose callback.
The next setting determines whether an agent can transfer the callback. The default setting cascades down from the queue above.
In the second section, you can tailor the availability settings of your media stream.
As with the previous option to make conversations available for transfer, time zones are set on a queue level. This means that the contact center reports and in-office profiles, which determine when the media stream is available, will be adjusted for your location. In-office profiles are configured in the Profiles section of the Contact Center portal. In-office profiles automatically manage when media streams are available or not. In the Callback configuration section, you can begin by selecting which details the remote party are required to provide in order to request a callback.
These details include the remote party name, their phone number, and their email address.
Please note, however, that for callback media streams, both the remote party name and their phone number are mandatory requirements.
You are also able to activate recording of visitor journeys. By enabling this feature, it means that all of the pages the visitor has viewed prior to initiating the callback request will be recorded and presented to agents. In this section, you can also choose whether or not to include an external reference field for visitors. If chosen, you can customize exactly what your external reference asks of visitors. Your external reference label will then become an input field on the callback widget. The Callback configuration section allows you to enter both a callback start and a callback end text. The callback start message will be displayed at the top of the callback widget whenever opened by a prospective visitor. This message can also intelligently feed back to customers the expected wait time for an agent to respond. This can be done by simply typing the phrase "estimated wait time" in brackets. Additionally, the end text is the message displayed to visitors after they have clicked to request a callback. The Callback Client Branding section provides a comprehensive range of customization options
that allow you to truly personalize the callback widget. Please note that throughout the Callback Client Branding section, a callback widget will be present in the bottom corner of the screen. As you make changes, they will be displayed in real time upon this widget. To begin, You can set the visibility of your callback from a list of parameters. These options include only display during business hours or only display when an agent is available. So, for example, you are able to use callback outside office hours and web chat during the day when the office is staffed.
You can then choose to toggle whether or not you wish to hide the callback widget for visitors after they have clicked the close button. The primary color menu allows you to choose from a range of colors for your callback widget. You can choose from a pre-made list or input a custom color hex code that relates to your brand.
You can then decide whether or not the callback window header, which is displayed to the visitor, uses the media stream name or that of the queue.
The callback start image selection provides a diverse list of options related to the shape of your callback widget.
As you toggle through these options, the actual widget will be displayed on the bottom right.
You can also assign an avatar to your callback widget. The avatar selection allows you to choose from a selection of default images, or alternatively, provides the capability to upload a custom image.
For an additional level of customization, you can choose to invert the start image, which will invert the color scheme. You can also choose the way in which the widget opens upon being interacted with. This can either be in a windowed format, or alternatively, a docked format. The start text is the text that will be present on the callback widget, whilst the button text is what is displayed on the widget's button. Finally, you can choose the location of the callback widget on the web page, as well as set a widget delay time if required. This will allow a few seconds after a visitor loads a page before the callback widget is displayed. Having finalized the settings for your new media stream, the final step is to navigate to the bottom of the page and click on the Add Media Stream button. This will create your new media stream. Your new media stream should now be present in the list of media streams. You can then click on the media stream and navigate to the profile icon to revisit the creation page, allowing you to make edits and changes as required. Additionally, for callbacks, you can navigate to the bottom of the page and click on the test stream button. This button will generate a JavaScript text block. This can be used to simply copy and paste onto the HTML of any web pages you wish the callback widget to be present on. Additionally, you can click the button titled Create Test HTML File to download a HTML file that will allow you to test out your new callback widget without it being in a fully live environment. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.